Gone into effect today that allows Florida law enforcement to designate certain groups as domestic terrorist organizations. The governor's taking immediate advantage of it as well, stopping in Tampa to announce that 8 groups, including the one that's based in Tampa, fits the criteria. Fox 13's Evan Axelbank reports.
The governor says that it's a no-brainer that money should not be going from taxpayers to any of these types of groups. Now, at least one of the groups has denied everything that they've been accused of and insists that it's about the governor controlling speech by those he disagrees with.
Great to be back in Tampa.
The governor came to Tampa, the same city where pro-Palestine protests in 2024 convinced him that state colleges like USF had to clamp down.
We've got to draw a very strong line in the sand here.
The new bill blocks all state money from going to groups that support terrorism and also threatens those who support those groups with criminal charges, with expulsion or loss of scholarships. 8 groups under a new state law are being declared terrorist organizations, including CARE, the Muslim Brotherhood, Antifa, and Tren de Aragua.
The law takes effect on July 1st today, and so we are not going to waste any time. We're going to move forward, and we're going to make sure that we're very robust in doing this.
The Council on American Islamic Relations, or CARE, has been outspoken over the law, saying it lacks transparency and that the federal government is more than capable of determining who actually supports terror. They say they don't. They're particularly concerned about what it could mean for free speech and that it could become a tool for the state to suppress political opponents.
The evidence that's going to be used against you if you receive a designation could be hidden from public records. That's incredibly draconian.
When it comes to CARE, which has an office in Tampa, the governor cites a 2008 terror financing trial in which they were unindicted co-conspirators. CARE, which didn't have a chance to defend itself in court, has said for years the insinuations were bunk and that they're purely a group that works to defend civil rights. The governor wouldn't confirm as to how deep the investigations into CARE in Florida have gone or are going.
If that money shuts down, it's a lot harder to do. And my hope is that we find it's not flowing in Florida at all. But if it is, you now have tools to be able to stop it.
The Florida cabinet must approve these designations, which will likely happen during an emergency meeting sometime soon. CARE says they look forward to responding to these allegations in court. Evan Axelbank, Fox 13 News.